What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to another video. Now I believe I've gotten my EK9 to where I feel that it should be, where looks is concerned. So now it's just down to performance, and got some new slicks, guys. And when I was ordering them, it did say the same spec like what I used to run before, but when I got them, they're a little bit more beefier, and the rim diameter on the inside is smaller. So on the other one, the rim on the outside here is small, but on the inner side it's bigger. But for this slick, the rim is also small on the inside too. So basically, getting a beefier tire setup right there, and I'm gonna have to be dialing that in differently. The car needs a retune overall, but just giving you guys the full finished product of the car, and it looks really good, guys. So stay tuned for a dyno session, and then we'll be doing some polls soon. So like, share and subscribe.